Welcome to Artwork Archive. So you found a call or an opportunity hosted by an organization using Artwork Archive. This video will talk you through the steps how to apply using a submit-only account if you've never used Artwork Archive before. First, you find the opportunity. By clicking Submit to Call, you will now be prompted to open up a Submit account. All you need is your name and an email. And you also need to create a password. Click the Terms and Conditions. You'll receive an email in your inbox to verify that the email is correct. Once you've done that, you can then sign in. So this is what a Submit account looks like. Everything you're going to need is in the menu here in the top left-hand corner, and you have a dashboard showing your profile, your library, and your course submissions. Here's the one that we just selected. First off, you're going to want to edit your profile and make sure all your information is correct. Now, you can add a profile image, a telephone number, website, and any social media handles are going to be shared with the organization when you submit to a call. So you're going to want to make sure you fill those out. Just save that. Returning to the dashboard. Right here you will see your call submission. We're going to click in this. This is where you can upload all of the information for this application. As you can see, it's a draft at the moment, and it states draft here as well. So uploading artwork, add artwork here. This will prompt you to fill in any questions that the organization has as a part of their call. This one's, how did you find this opportunity? Artwork Archive website. And what is your primary medium? Let's just say painting. You can upload your pieces by clicking on the blue Upload Pieces into your account. Here you can add 20 images at a time. And we're just going to submit a couple. I'm going to upload a couple. Next step is to enter the piece details. This is the basic information. And obviously you can put whichever medium you wish. And the only field that is really necessary is the title. However, some organizations may stipulate additional fields that are needed, and I will show you how to edit the pieces and add that information in. Just save those two pieces. And as you can see, they are here. And I may want to edit them in a moment. You can save the submission as a draft. Should also take it to this page and you can see them here. Now, you may want to add the frame sizes. So let's go into this, edit. This gives you options where you can add additional images of that piece. So perhaps it might be a sculpture and you need some installation images or some details. And down here, you can also add the framed size. So let's say and then just remember to update the piece. And then you can see here, it's got the framed size. Adding additional files to the application. And this is only if the application has requested any additional files. Click on the Add New File, choose File. There you go, Art Statement, Open. And here you can title it. Save that file. And then you can add another one. I'm going to add a CV. You don't have to put anything in the notes, but it can also be handy to do so. And here you can see what you've got added so far. So here's your additional files. And here's the answer to your questions. You can continue editing the submission if you wish to change the answers to your questions, or if you wish to change what images you've uploaded or add some more, depending on how many you can for the application. Now, before submitting, I can show you where, if you wish to save this as a draft, over here in your course submissions, you'll see it's a draft. It's listed as draft here. And it shows you've got 2 pieces, 2 questions have been answered, and there's 2 files. You can also edit, and you can go in here. Now, if you're ready to submit it, we can go save submission as a draft. You're happy with that. It's not yet submitted. We're reviewing everything here. Got the additional files, you've got the questions. Now I'm ready to submit to the call. This checklist comes up every time, so if there's something that's missing, you will get a little alert saying you haven't uploaded any images, or you're missing additional files, or whatever it may be. If you feel like you're ready to go ahead, you can then click submit, and it will give you a final prompt. We say OK, and now you will see it's submitted. You will also receive an email from the organization saying thanks for your application, we received it. You can also look here and see that your call is submitted. You can always, if you have any questions, contact us here through this handy little live chat. I hope that helps.